Yeah, Jah call my name. Afro-Zion Choir. Hey, when me heart calm down, nice fade away. Voices them must be stepped away. I tend to call ring clearing on my soul. Seek the Lord now, make him take control. Love a device, me here tonight. Strong one call the weak for the light. Success a device when me feel like lost. Jah open the spring when my burdens cross. Failures drink deep in the living well. Out of darkness and break every prison cell. Father a device when the youths them stray. Call the young for rise up, choose a better day. Him call me out, him call me out, him call me near, him call me near. Jah my savior, Jah my savior. Wipe every tear, wipe every tear. Fountain of joy, fountain of joy. Victory song, victory song. Afro-Zion Choir chant, Afro-Zion Choir chant. Me heal so long. Young kings, young queens, hear the call. Bondage can't hold, chains off the fall. Habits get crushed when the spirit steer. Liberty a come when the Father draw nearer. Yo, Zion youths know what the time. Jah a call for the weak, for the strong, for your line. Habits can't rule when him power a flow. Reggae gospel wave make the freedom glow. Out of weakness, straight to the throne. Victory fountain and where me belong. Him call me up, him call me up, him call me near, him call me near. Jah me heal, Jah me heal. Can't disappear, can't disappear. Fountain of joy, fountain of joy. Victory's blaze, victory's blaze. Afro-Zion Choir sing, Afro-Zion Choir sing. All my praise, my Father God, my answer now.